So the biggest thing we've been missing right now in crypto is volatility and volume. When we have volatility and volume, we have action. Now, there has been some volatility depending on what you look at. I've been talking about how I made some trades recently within the SHIB ecosystem on Bone and Leash, 16, 17% swings. But it's been hard to find that right now. But I think it's about to change. I think this week we're going to get a lot more volatility. Now, I should say, because we have a lot of things happening. And we're going to talk about all of those sort of things that could produce some volatility. This goes for stocks and crypto right now, but in particular crypto, because we're waiting for something to happen with crypto. Right now it's pretty flat, pretty boring in the overall cryptocurrency market. It seems like we're kind of stuck in no man's land again until we get to September. But as we roll into next week, of course, we roll into September. By the end of the week, we'll be at September 1st there on Friday. So, with that being said, I want to talk about some of the key events that are coming up that we should keep our eye on. And again, the way I'm looking at this right now, I want some short-term trading opportunities, both in crypto and in stocks, and in particular crypto if we can have it. So, here's what we have going on. Key events this week, guys. So we have our jobs data coming in Tuesday. We also have the U.S. Q2, quarter 2 GDP data coming in by Wednesday. Then we have July pending home sales data coming in Wednesday as well. We're then going to have July core PCE inflation data Thursday. That could be the big one. Then the full July jobs report on Friday. That could also be a big one. ISM manufacturing PMI data on Friday. Should be an action-packed week ahead of us in terms of data points. Now, the following tweet reads, huge week for all things related to economic data. Volatility is back. Jobs, inflation, housing data, and more. We're publishing our trades for the week shortly. In 2022, our calls made 86%. Subscribe to access our analysis and see what we're trading. This Kobayashi letter is unbelievable, guys. If you don't know about it, definitely give them a follow on Twitter just for their free version. But I don't even have a plan yet, but I'm going to be kind of looking into that a little bit more. They do just a fantastic job keeping us up to speed on what's going on in the markets. Now, with that being said, we're waiting for some volatility right now. I've got the SHIB chart up. This is the 1-hour chart. Just a lot of sideways action, not really anything brewing. If we head over to Bitcoin, we could see a similar story here. But here's the thing with Bitcoin. It's really getting traded in a tight window. Let's go to a 1-day here and zoom out a little bit. Now, I will say this. We did get a possible retracement up signal flash on our XT algo back on the 21st. We could start to see some momentum up here potentially this week. If we get some good data in, we're going to keep our eyes on that. But right now, we have not got that big indicator that we're waiting for, the momentum up. That has been a really strong indicator for the Bitcoin 1-day chart using XT algo. Of course, this is my indicator that I've had built. A lot of people using it now. I'm getting some really good feedback. It is 30-day risk-free. You could try it for 30 days. If you don't like it, full refund. But again, we've executed a couple successful trades. And with Bitcoin in particular, 3 times this year we've flashed momentum up. Here's once back in June. Here's once in March. And then once in January. This is the 1-day chart. As soon as we got that momentum up indicator, we went on some really nice rallies. So I'm waiting for that momentum up on Bitcoin. But you don't want to miss it when this indicator flashes momentum up. We're 3 for 3 this year on Bitcoin on making some moves and making some trades. So we're going to keep a very, very close eye on that. Now, with that being said, we shall see what this data looks like and how it impacts us in crypto. There's definitely going to be some impact, I think, in the stock market. And usually, it kind of trickles over into crypto, depending on what kind of data we get out of this. So we're going to be watching this and keeping a close eye on it. Real quick plug for one of the channel's sponsors. It's DEVOUR. Of course, DEVOUR working to bridge the gap between Web3 and restaurants. They are completely revolutionizing the restaurant industry. They are under a $2 million market cap as a company right now, but they are in all the top markets. Their app is live out there on all platforms, the App Store and Google Play. They just recently hired a go-to-market product customer behavior advisor. Rob is a practitioner scholar who turns ideas into revenue. In addition to a doctorate in business from University of South Florida, he also holds a bachelor's degree and a master's degree. And Rob will help advise DEVOUR's GTM strategy, product roadmap, and consumer pursuit. So DEVOUR, a real company building real utility out there right now in the space, kind of flying under the radar. I'll leave the links down below. This is definitely one to check out, guys. I think it's a long-term play, but DEVOUR Go, feeding the future, next-generation food ordering. Think about this. It is the Uber Eats or DoorDash for the blockchain. That is DEVOUR. Links down below. And we shall see what happens this week. Hopefully, we get some volatility that bounces back our way. Appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to hit the like button for us. Subscribe down below. Enjoy your Sunday. We'll see you.